How to fix Gmail uploading problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail uploading problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps, and here type Gmail and click storage and clear cache, and after that force stop. And if that doesn't fix it, click storage and click clear data, and now just go back and log in again and your problem will be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just go to Play Store and check if there's an update here, and now update your Gmail and then restart your phone and try again. And I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.